While Caxton Legal Centre assists the community in many areas of law, including family law, employment law and consumer law, my placement with Caxton was with their duty lawyer service at the Domestic Violence Court. I was able to experience many different legal and non-legal aspects of community lawyering. The legal aspects included witnessing client interviews, the provision of advice to clients, and the representation of clients. The non-legal aspects included counselling services available to clients in the court and the programs that clients could enrol into to control their anger and emotional issues. My role in my placement was to assist Caxton's domestic violence duty lawyer. This required me to perform a number of tasks, including ensuring that the daily court list was up to date, crossing off names from the daily court list, and checking with the reception to see if any more potential Caxton clients had arrived. I was also required to complete an intake form for every Caxton client and photocopy the client's court documents. Occasionally I'd form research where the duty lawyer required information while advising a client. Those were my main duties. However, I did perform any other tasks that the duty lawyer required me to perform. Caxton's positive impact on their clients can be seen through the different types of clients that use Caxton's duty lawyer service. For example, there were clients who didn't understand exactly what was happening at the court. They were there just because someone had told them to attend the court that day. Caxton lawyers were able to discuss the various applications that were sought against those clients and discuss the client's options regarding those applications. A common outcome was a client changing their mind about contesting an application, which would have meant that the client had to come back to the court in about a month for a trial, to consenting without admissions to the application. This no doubt saved time for the client and also saved the client the cost of having to attend a trial, especially in cases where the client had no evidence to support his or her claims. Also, there were many emotional clients who were angry, sad and even crying. Caxton's role did not stop at the court. Many Caxton pamphlets were handed out to vulnerable clients so they could book appointments for later on.
The last 12 weeks at the courts has given us a vast insight into how lawyers, magistrates and clients all interact at the courts. Collaboration between these parties and other stakeholders is key to community empowerment. In this time, we got to not only develop our hard technical skills, which would include our knowledge of the law and legal ethics and the procedures of the courts, but we also got to challenge ourselves by testing our abilities to utilize our soft skills, the skills you aren't taught at law school. This would be things like understanding how to apply effective communication, developing your emotional intelligence, adopting cultural humility, and being in tune with desired personal and professional values. All these necessary lawyering skills can only be enhanced by actively challenging ourselves out there in the real world. Law school can only teach so much. We will undoubtedly apply what we have learned at Caxton in our future workplaces, be it family law or commercial law. Effective client interaction is something we are now proficient in. Our placement has taught us that participation in community lawyering is something all lawyers should aspire to do as part of their professional careers. Thank you for listening.